This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the Model 3 Standard versus the Premium, they have actually an identical result here. Just mind the difference in the acceleration on the way there, and then weight is also exactly the same. Horsepower here might just be a little bit measurement error. There should be also more or less the same. When it comes to noise, here's the Standard. Here's the Premium, and the Premium has the Michelin E primacy versus the Bridgestone Turanza. And I googled about this, and then the Bridgestone is roughly 10-15% cheaper than the Michelin E primacy. So yeah, when it comes to noise, average, there's barely any difference there. And then the last thing was braking performance. The Standard is over here, 36 meters versus actually slightly worse, but I mean, we're talking about half a meter. It could be within measurement error. So maybe the Michelin E primacy performs worse, or maybe it performs better. Or, I don't know. The temperature here was also not the same. So it seems like the Standard versus the Premium, you don't get any performance like disadvantage or noise or anything. So it seems like the soundproofing is the same. You know, they didn't take out any on that, and I guess as long as you use the same tires, then you should get more or less identical features there. So it just boils down to other things like the lack of buttons for adjusting the seat or some of the other stuff there. Yeah, well, at least that's good. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.